road trip, but only for a short time. Taking a mini vacation to Philadelphia for the Eagles Game 7, we are geeked up for our journey and taking time to travel some back roads and see the sights along the way. And we couldn't have asked for a better weekend. Bright and sunny, mild temperatures, and some color change on the foliage. Finally made it to Charlotte Douglas. Time for catching flights and feelings. Riding the SEPTA into the city is always nice for us. And cheap. After a short walk from the station, we arrive in Old City. We're staying at the Ledger Residences by SoSuite. It was once home to the Public Ledger newspaper in the late 1800s, recently converted into unique and luxurious living quarters. And I especially love the Big Ben statue in the lobby. This marble creation is located at 6th and Chestnut when you visit and was created by Joseph Bailey in 1860, a tribute to Benjamin Franklin's life as a journalist and statesman. But enough of the history lesson. Let's check out our digs for the weekend. Modern appliances and my favorite hotel soap, rainfall shower, blueprint of this building, and this winding stairway to heaven is too sexy. Simple, understated, clean with a few industrial textures throughout. That sofa can also pull out for additional guest sleeping, but we ain't having no guests. After oohing and eyeing our sexy little suite, it's time to find some snacks. Picked up a couple of steaks from Sonny's. Yum. More local art from a restaurant next door. Can you name all the Philly natives here? Now for a stroll over to Penn's Landing. This is such a pretty spot, right on the river. There is no shortage of art and history in Philly, from the Liberty Bell to Independence Hall to tasty cakes. Okay, now the last one may depend on who you're asking. The next day, we take an early morning trek to Sabrina's Cafe at the Art Museum because they fill up quick. You can watch the full live video on its own. I'll be sure to share the link. More than anything, I think our message is that we just want you to slow down and take the walk. Philly has so much beauty to offer when you really take the time to take it in. And I am a perpetual tourist. I don't care. I'm snapping pictures, taking video, you name it. It's game time. Clearly, I didn't get the Kelly Green memo, but it's cool. We fly. Here we go to Wells Fargo Center. He's calling his agent. Okay, we're at Wells Fargo Center. Ready to tailgate. It's a fun time. We've already seen some fun beer games. People hanging upside down, drinking beers. It's wild. It's pandemonium out here, I tell you. So we're gonna get some grub and enjoy the fun. My very first pro football tailgate will definitely go down as one of my favorite experiences. Keg stands, dancing, fun with Pop Warner kiddos, shots, the good kind. And we got to travel with the band, the Eagles Drumline. So lit. They even let us fans beat the drums. And let me tell you, McKenna was getting it, sugar. Look at her. Now, I should also note that I don't know what her name is. She just looks like a McKenna to me. Hey, Hulu has live sports. Oh, that's Miami. And everybody said boo in unison. And our DJ kept that party going. A quick visit of the rules. Now we know, a good fan is usually an inebriated one. But act a fool and they will put you out. Get 'em low, get 'em high, and watch your Eagles fly. Fly, Eagles fly, on the road to victory. And another Philadelphia win! For me too. Keep watching, sugar. There's much more to see with Sugar Pearls, food that loves you back.